Welcome to our guide on FHA disputed accounts for 2025. Do they kill your loan approval? FHA takes disputed credit accounts seriously because they can artificially inflate a borrower's credit score. So the rules differ depending on what kind of accounts are in dispute and how large they are. Think disputing a collection means it won't hurt your FHA loan? Not so fast. I'm Joel Lobb, Kentucky mortgage expert, here to explain FHA rules on disputed accounts. So what exactly counts as a disputed derogatory account, according to FHA guidelines? Disputed derogatory accounts include collections, charge-offs, and late payments in the last 24 months. These can significantly impact your FHA loan approval. What is a disputed derogatory credit account per FHA/HUD? In FHA/HUD policy, disputed derogatory credit accounts include disputed charge-off accounts, disputed collection accounts, disputed accounts with late payments in the last 24 months. These are distinct from disputed medical collection accounts, which are exempt, disputed accounts with zero balance, or that are current, non-derogatory. Why does FHA care? Because allowing disputes on negative accounts can artificially inflate credit scores, hiding real credit risk. Section 2. The Big Rule, $1,000 threshold and manual underwriting. If a borrower has $1,000 or more, in aggregate, of disputed derogatory credit accounts, excluding medical, the file must be downgraded to manual underwriting. Even if AUS, total/DU, gives accept/approve, that decision is overridden, and the file must be manually underwritten. You can't pay off or settle after the fact to avoid it. You need to either remove the dispute or provide supporting documentation first. Under manual underwriting, the lender must analyze whether the origin of the dispute was due to financial irresponsibility, inability to manage debt, or legitimate extenuating circumstances. Borrower must provide explanation and documentation. Disputed derogatory accounts, $1,000 or more total. Here are some examples. Unpaid collections, charge-offs, or other derogatory trade lines still in dispute totaling $1,000 or more. FHA rule says you must remove or resolve the disputes before underwriting can proceed. Why? Because the dispute could mask the true credit risk and inflate the score. Options for resolution: withdraw the dispute through the credit bureaus. Provide documentation proving the dispute is resolved. Wait until the dispute is officially closed and credit updates. Underwriting will not issue approval until this is done. However, there are exceptions. Medical collections are excluded. Zero balance or non-derogatory accounts are allowed. Identity theft disputes can be documented and excluded. Now let's go over a clear, step-by-step process to fix disputed accounts and improve your chances of FHA loan approval. Here's what to do. Pull credit, identify disputes, retract or resolve over $1,000, re-pull credit, provide documentation, work with an FHA expert. First, pull all 3 of your credit reports. Carefully identify all disputed accounts and understand their nature. If you have disputes totaling $1,000 or more, you'll need to retract them. Once done, re-pull your credit report to ensure the changes are reflected. Exceptions: medical collections are excluded. Zero balance or non-derogatory accounts are allowed. Identity theft disputes can be documented. Common mistakes include removing disputes without consulting your lender, assuming settlements fix disputes, thinking medical disputes matter, or underestimating lender overlays. Avoid these pitfalls. Quick FAQ: medical disputes are fine. $1,000 triggers manual underwriting. Paying off negative accounts isn't required. Identity theft can be documented. Score may drop, and pre-approval is affected. Disputes aren't automatic deal killers, but the $1,000 rule is real. Contact me for a free consultation before applying. Don't risk your FHA approval. Don't let disputed accounts derail your dream. Disputed accounts aren't automatic deal killers, but the FHA $1,000 rule is real. Get expert guidance to navigate the process and secure your loan approval. Call/text 502-9053-708. Email kentuckyloan@gmail.com. NMLS personal ID 57916. Free consultation available. Equal housing lender.